you're new here, we're the KKOM Girls. KKOM stands for
Kai, Caitlin,
Olivia,
Madeline. Y'all like and subscribe.
Especially if you're new, join the KKOM family.
Buy some merch. 20% off if you use the code KKOM Girls.
So anyway, we're gonna give you a little fashion show. Fanjoy / KKOM Girls. Let's go. 2, 1.
Here we go.
Okay, so that was fun.
We have
Anyway,
a really good video in store for y'all today. We are
traveling back in time. Not clickbait.
not clickbait, guys. Don't worry. Stick with us to see what the future holds. That was terrible.
Let's do this thing.
What time do you want to travel back to?
About a week ago.
Why are we traveling back to a week ago?
To get our merch on sale. Now we're gonna go in our secret time machine.
This is a week ago.
Yeah, but we're gonna get the best
We're
of
done
it.
with it.
So, let's go.
Oh my gosh!
They ran away from you.
Oh no.
I wonder where we are.
I think we're like in the pioneer days.
Oh no.
Looks old. The vlog's going crazy,
No,
guys.
we don't know what's happening. That's why you should like and subscribe.
Drop
Yeah.
in the comments below how you're feeling at this point in the video.
And you should buy our merch. 10% off, remember.
Whoa, who's that?
Hey, young ladies, y'all want to come on and eat at my house?
Is that your house?
Well, yes, ma'am, it is. So what the heck? What year is it? The 1800s. I don't know. We just moved here. We came in our wagon, and I'm not really that educated enough.
Are you a pioneer?
Well, yes, I am.
What do you have to say to our subscribers back in the 2000s of 18?
Do what you call to like it and subscribe to it. Why don't you come on in my kitchen? We can eat some chicken.
I think we have to go home.
Yeah.
But let's get a selfie first. Oh, that was weird.
Hashtag what just happened?
Wait a minute. Where's Madeline?
That girl looked a lot like Madeline, though.
Maybe it's one of her ancestors.
I think we have to go home now.
Yeah, this is getting weird.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Comment your feelings. Whoa, Madeline.
Madeline, where'd you come from?
We just had like this crazy experience.
Where were you? In the bathroom. Oh, you missed a little bit.
We saw someone who looked just like you.
Must have been like an ancestor or something.
Yeah. Whoa.
For real? Yeah.
Like and comment if you think that's Madeline's great grandma.
Woo!
Yeah, like it so I can know.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go.
Do y'all think going back into the past changed anything?
I don't know. Let's watch the news. Okay.
A robot president has just taken over the country. It's all due to some idiotic girls who traveled back in time and left an iPhone in the past with some crazy lady. Anyways, lock your doors and turn your lights off. Pretend like you are not there. Anyway, next with the weather.
So I think they're talking about us. Nah. Hey guys, so I'm actually smarter than all of them, and I know it was us. And this is all Olivia's fault if you really think about it, because it was her idea in the first place. So I'm putting a poll on my Instagram. If y'all think I should kill her, please put a yes, and I'll give it 10 minutes and we'll see. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and so I put the poll up. It's been 10 minutes, and 100% of the people say I should kill Olivia. And we're out of peanut butter, so it looks like I'm using this. See y'all in a minute.
Olivia.
Caitlin. What are you doing with the bat?
Hey guys!
This is the end of our video.
Like and subscribe!